Hey, welcome back. So today we're unboxing the FABFITFUN Fall 2021 box. And you guys know fall boxes are almost always my favorite. So I'm really excited to dive in with you guys. So if you've seen my videos before, then you already know this. But if you're new here, FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box. Boxes are $49.99 each, but with my $10 off coupon, only $39.99. So you're literally paying under $40 for fabulous full-size lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and wellness items. And even better, each box is worth up to $300 each season. This box is super heavy, a ton of amazing items, so let's get started. So this is one of the customizations that I actually chose. So these are the Frye boot socks. They feel so amazing, you guys. I've actually owned Frye boots and Frye boot socks before. Fabulous, very high-end quality. They are made out of a really super soft bamboo blend. Anyone that's tried anything bamboo knows how incredibly soft it is. I love bamboo sheets, bamboo socks. Give me all the bamboo, okay? So these are really the perfect length to wear with all of your winter boots. Love the heathered fabric. So they came in this kind of taupey gray and black. So these are gonna go with everything this season, and I wish you guys could feel them. So incredibly just soft and nice. They feel like they're gonna last a lifetime, so very excited about the Frye boot socks. Next up is probably my absolute favorite item that I received for fall, and this was another item that I customized. It is from Arhaus, and this is their Moroccan spice candle. You can see it's in this absolutely gorgeous brushed copper little holder here, and the smell is to die for. Like, this is why it's my favorite. This is definitely a candle that I would pick out for myself at the store. It has that subtle sweetness with that really nice aromatic fall spice. It's absolutely perfect for fall, and it's gonna look beautiful on a tiered tray, next to your bedside, in the living room, on a coffee table tray. Literally sniffing it all day. It smells so good. So I was super excited to see an item from Arhaus available. Next up is from Benefit. This is their Professional Pore Primer, and this is a smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. It's also going to help your makeup to last longer throughout the day. Very important in the winter time, especially when your skin is more dry. Your pores can really stand out and look more defined. So having a really good smoothing primer and using a moisturizer before your makeup routine every day is super important. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit on my hand here to show you guys what it looks like. So you can see it's almost a really nice skin tone shade. And when you rub it in, it just completely disappears. Like, this stuff feels like satin. It's so silky, so nice. Super excited to see a Benefit product available as a customization as well. I love Benefit, so very excited about that primer. Then my final customization was this Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. There were so many awesome options this season. I was so torn between this and I believe they were Uncommon James canisters. And then there was also a really cute little like Dutch oven that was really calling to me. Kind of wanted that too, but I decided to stick with something more practical because I knew that I would use the fry pan more than anything else. And I'm so happy that I chose this because it is amazing. See, it is a gorgeous cobalt blue ceramic, and then it has this really nice wood replica kind of looking silicone handle. Amazing quality. I can't get over how nice just the handle feels. It fits perfectly into your hands. It even has a little spot for your thumbprint to sit there. We've slowly been changing out all of our pots and pans to a style similar to this with the ceramic coating and then the wood look-alike silicone handles. So I was really excited to add this to our pot and pan collection. You can see it has the really nice bottom. And these pans are amazing. Literally nothing sticks to them. Stuff just slides around in there, so there's no sticking to the bottom, no having to scrub this. Heats really well, cooks really well. Love it. So next up is a bath gel from Islands of Italy, and it's in Peach Champagne. This is a really good size bottle, 8 fluid ounces. And it smells so good. Well, I love peach, so if you love peach, you're gonna love this. And this smells just like a peach pie. It's just a really yummy, rich, great scent for fall. So excited to try this bath gel out, and I've actually never tried this brand, so interested to see what I think. Next up is this lunch pack from HIP. So it packs down and closes neatly, ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee, or handfuls of snacks. So as you can see, it just has this little, well, it's kind of like a little plastic bar, and then it has these little stretchy silicone handles. And then this obviously is reusable. You can just put your lunch in there or whatever and then rinse it out when you get home, and then you're saving on not having to purchase Ziploc bags that you have to throw away each time. Great to fit into your kids' lunchbox, and then you can just rinse it out when they get home and use it again. Cute little lunch pack from Hip, and I love the colors, super cute. Next up is from Perlis. And I've tried quite a few of their products and they're always nice. This is their pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask. Yay, a pumpkin product. I always love to use all the pumpkin in the fall. So this is a 10-minute facial treatment. It is infused with pumpkin and ginger, and it's gonna brighten, smooth, and improve your texture while providing gentle exfoliation. So because this is a mask, you're gonna leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then you're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. And I always love detoxifying masks because I feel like it just pulls all of that gunk and yucky stuff out of your pores. Charcoal is really good about that. And it's also exfoliating, so it's gonna get all of that dead skin off, and this will be perfect for just cleansing our summer skin as we head into fall. I just absolutely love pumpkin. It's not overpowering though. It's a very subtle pumpkin smell. Super thrilled to use this pumpkin mask. This would be great to have like a fall beauty night with your girls. So I literally just wiped that mask off of my hand just now, and my skin feels like a baby's butt. It's so smooth. So that is going to be amazing. I cannot wait. Last but not least in my fall box is from the two Bandits. This is their tiered catch-all tray. I was excited to get this because I did see a preview of it when I was customizing my box, and it's so cute. Three-tiered little white plastic tray. That this little piece right here looks like natural wood, which you guys know, white natural wood is my thing. There is a good sized lip on each level of this tiered tray, so you can put things in there and not have to worry about them falling off. And as you can see, they just swivel and open up. So this would be perfect on the vanity. You could use it for nail polish. It really has a ton of different uses. The bottom is a little bit heavier, which is nice, so it's weighted. It's not gonna topple over. And it does have little feet. A really cute option from FABFITFUN here as well. And that is everything, you guys. So a really unique and fun fall box from FABFITFUN this season. I'm really excited to try everything out and update you guys on what I think. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you picked out for your fall FABFITFUN box. So until next time, you guys, thanks for watching.